Okay. So basically, so what do you think? Why do we need time management? Yes, Akshat. What do you think? Yeah. What is the need of the hour? What is the need of studying time management? Yes, Akshat.
Sir, can you please repeat it?
Yeah. So what is the need of time management? Why do we need time management?
Sir, to do the work in time, um, that will be better for.
To do the work in time. Yes, Pawar.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. The same question. Why do we need time management?
So if we have a proper time management, we can do our work at on the time before the deadline.
Before the deadline, not to miss the deadline. Okay, so basically, yeah, Siddhan, you want to say something? Yeah, tell me.
So time management can also be used as if we want to do multitasking. We can manage the time and do different tasks for a different period of time, and all the tasks can be completed simultaneously.
Yeah, so the multitasking is the word. See, we need to manage various kind of skill set, various kind of workload in today's world. So that's why we need a time management. Suppose you are investing 80% time to something which only require 50% of your time, right? So 30% is already wasted. Your energy is wasted. Your time is lost, and time is basically money. So if you lose your time, you lose your money. You could have invested that thing in another thing. You could have added that skill set in your CV or something like that. And all works and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So you need some time for yourself only, the leisure hours. Okay. So basically, the aim of teaching time management to you is to make you aware that do not waste your time. And instead of telling you how to utilize your time, because that's a very personal choice how you're going to utilize your time, let me show you how you can waste the time. So basically we're going to study time wasters, how to waste your time. And if you're aware and if you are wise enough after knowing that these are the things which are wasting my time, you should avoid it. You people are not kids, so I'm not going to say don't do this, don't do that. रोकना टोकना नहीं है, तुम्हारा मर्जी है, करो नहीं करो तुम्हारा ऊपर. Make your own decision. That's the basic thing. So let us see. So the today's topic is how to waste time, and I think this is the first time a teacher is telling you how to waste time. Let's see what we have in store. Okay. Yeah, we have this. Let's see. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Now, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So, Zidane, could you read what is written over here?
Time wasters. Let us waste time. Mr. Devraj Maulik.
Okay. So, basically, how you're going to waste your time. So, Zidane, how do you waste your time? Tell me.
Usually by lying down and idling off while after lectures.
Being lazy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Ali Asgar, how do you waste your time?
Yes, sir. I waste my time by playing games.
Games. Okay. What kind of indoor games or outdoor games?
Both indoor games and
You are a
outdoor.
PUBG player?
Yes, sir.
PUBG?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. No, the question arises whether indoor games are that bad or so. I think there should be a balance in everything. You need your time off. Yes, Manish, the CR. How do you waste your time? Time कैसे waste करता है भाई?
Sir, usually I'm wasting my time on Instagram. I'm seeing
Instagram, social media. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. How many followers do you have?
I have 576 followers.
576 followers. अरे celebrity हो भाई. So you make real videos or something like that?
No, sir, no. I increase my followers through the various type of apps.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, I used to be an active Instagram user. So for the last 2 months, I'm not using Instagram. Almost 2 months. I want to I'm trying to utilize my time otherwhere. Let's see. See, uh, you can have to-do list for your aim, right? You need to become something big. Have you seen Kota Factory 2?
No, sir.
Anyone?
नो सर सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं है
Bhai, see, I cannot say this on YouTube or something like that. Without subscription, आधे लोग देख लेते हैं. Anyway, yeah, the name starts with T, but it's up to you how to use it. Anyone have seen Kota Factory 2 here? Over here? Anyone? Hello? Boring audience. Anyway, so basically, if you want to achieve something, you need a strategy. In order to strategize, you need to write down the points, how to do it, how not to. So basically, in order to waste your time, there is a to-do list. Let us see. So the first to-do list is social media addiction. Zidane, is it visible to you?
No, sir. It's still on the first slide.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Now is it visible?
No, sir.
Is it visible now?
Now it's visible. Now it's visible.
Yeah. So basically, this is social media addiction, and it helps you to waste your time. It rather helps you. So could you, with the help of the logo, could you tell me what are these things from the left?
Yes, sir. Social media addiction: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Pinterest, Twitter, WhatsApp.
See, the most important thing you have missed, which is not actually a bad thing. It helps you to get jobs. That's LinkedIn. LinkedIn is something where you upload your, CV, your biodata, your resume, your work experience, things which interest you, your skill set. It gets you a job. And basically, all of these things can be used for wasting your time, especially, Facebook, Instagram, this dog filter wala thing, which is known as Snapchat. Pinterest, I think, is for photography, and Twitter is for the celebrities to tweet or something. We have YouTube, and so that is the thing. So Manish, you are you are addicted to Instagram, right?
Yes, sir.
What about the Mahila Samiti over here? Social media addiction. Neha Pawar.
Yes.
Very good. Ingle, Nivedi Ingle.
Yes, sir.
You have account in Instagram, Facebook.
No, sir.
क्या बात कर? Snapchat.
Yes, sir. Snapchat.
Kuttavilli and all those filters. Okay. And Darshana, what about you? Okay, lecture bunk. Very good. Now this thing, checking mails all the time. Now I'll tell you my experience in pandemic. So last year when I was, when this corona pandemic started, is it visible? The screen is visible, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So previously when I used to go to the college, I used to start at 10:30, ends by 5:30. There was some network issue, or you used to have the desktop also, laptop also. So दिन में मैं 2 बार मेल चेक कर लेता था. कभी मोबाइल पे आया, or at the times, when I used to go to the institute, I used to check in the desktop. कभी एक बार मोबाइल में, and in the evening, so thrice. And now this was also the thing, because if the management, if the authority wants to say something, they could have, send a peon, or they could circulate anything among the student, among the staff, because the physical presence was there. Now, what happened in the pandemic? Everything was going on Instagram, WhatsApp, and on official mail. Official mail used to come then and there. So even after the working hours, after 5:30 p.m. in the evening, we used to have the official mails, because everyone was working round the clock. It was said that we are working from home, work from home. But in actual reality, only work was there, the home was invisible. So basically it's work, work and work. No home was there. Yeah, obviously, we didn't have to go out so much in crowded trains, crowded buses or something. We were avoiding, the social gatherings or something like that. And now it became a habit in me because I'm checking mails almost every hour. Koi mail aa gaya, something like that. And there is this auto update also. If any mails come, the notification comes around this. And it takes up your time. And if the official mails are coming out, okay, so you are being, subscribed to Amazon, you're subscribed to Flipkart, Myntra, and all these things, LinkedIn. The subscription mails, your mail block in your mailbox is getting flooded all the time, and it is taking up your time. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now comes what Zidane said: being lazy. So this is basically procrastination. Okay, means procrastination is the art. It's an art of delaying the things. आज कर कल करे सो आज करे सो अभी करे. No. That is not the mantra. The mantra procrastination is आज करना है वो कल कर, जो कल करना है छोड़ दे, कोई और आके कर लेगा. Are you getting it? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
So this is it, and it becomes, a psychological habit of delaying the things, being a procrastinator, something like that. And engineers are the best procrastinators. That's why they don't study all through the year, and last के एक month पे, not एक month, sorry, एक दिन पहले they study. And what happens when they are absorbed in firm, in jobs, they face हाँ एक साल पहले पढ़ा था ना. The problem arises, bridge टूट जाता है या ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है. So you know the things, right? So this is procrastination. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Akshat, could you read? क्या लिखा है इधर?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
जिंदगी बर्बाद.
Okay.
Go to school.
Okay.
Go home and avoid homework.
Okay.
And start homework late in the evening.
Okay. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Go home and avoid homework. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है बंदा?
Netflix देख रहे हैं.
Yeah, Netflix and chill. Panic and start in the evening. Okay, then.
Panic and start homework late in the evening and go to the bed
Very late.
very late.
And the cycle repeats. So क्या होता है, काम बल्ब में जम जाता है. I'll tell you something. In our days इतना Netflix वगैरह नहीं था, तो हम लोग लैंडलाइन से कॉल करते थे. ये तेरा ये चैप्टर हुआ क्या? If the person on the other hand used to say, हाँ मेरा हो गया, conversation would have ended. लेकिन वो क्या बोलता था, या नहीं भाई हुआ नहीं, ये कैसे करते? एक घंटा ऐसे ही चल जाता. Are you getting it? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
So यही प्रॉब्लम है. चाय नहीं पीना है, बिस्कुट लाना है, डिप करना है, डिप नहीं किया तो चाय क्या पिया, ऐसे you have to waste your time. So how many of you are wasting your time on a daily basis like this? Going to the college, of course you're not going to the college, the lecture gets over, you're using social media, you're pretending that you are studying, you are sharing pictures. I think in Snapchat that is streaks, right? You share streaks or something like that, right? And you go to bed late at night at 2 p.m. and when you get up in the morning, you're very tired or something like that. Does that happen to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, Manish. Congratulations, Zidane. Okay.
It happens almost every day since the online classes, sir.
Yeah. फिर भी नहीं सुधरोगे. Very good. Proud of you. Now this is also important. Wasting time. Suppose you are a student, you are supposed to do your homework, you are supposed to work on your skills, you are supposed to work on your physique or something like that. ये काम छोड़ के भी कोई आदमी रहता है जिसको सोशल सर्विस करना बहुत पसंद है. वो लोग क्योंकि दिल के बहुत अच्छे होते, वो ना नहीं कह पाते. So they end up doing things which are not required, which are not a necessity, but a wastage of time. So basically, you have to stop saying yes to everything which doesn't matter to you. Say no. Be selfish. That doesn't mean if someone has an emergency or something like that, you're not going to help that person. Of course you're going to. But if someone is taking your advantage, since you're a good human being, तुम ना बोल नहीं पाते हो, Try saying no. Half of the problems get over. Okay. Yes, Ali Asgar, क्या लिखा है?
यस सर, फोन पे लगे हो, मेरे बाबू ने थाना थाया, क्या कर रहे हो?
दिस इज मतलब कितना बात करते हो भाई? एक ही आदमी से एक ही मतलब you have your partners, you are being friendly with someone, you are having a relationship with someone, you are dating. 3 घंटा 4 घंटा क्या बात करते हो भाई? बाबू ने खाना खाया, खाने में क्या था? तुम्हारा नींद मुझे दे दो, तुम्हारा चैन मुझे दे दो. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, मेक मनी डूड. स्टॉक पे इन्वेस्ट करो तुम लोग, स्टॉक मार्केट की पढ़ाई कर लो थोड़ा सा, स्किल सेट बढ़ाओ अपना, फिजिक्स पे काम करो, इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग करो. एंड वॉचिंग नेटफ्लिक्स इज बेटर देन मेरे बाबू ने खाना खाया. आर यू गेटिंग इट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से?
Yes, sir.
Ali, so तुम लोग का बाबू है something like that, you do this kind of thing?
No, sir.
Of course, मैकेनिकल वाले हो, घंटा होगा तुम लोगों का. Okay, now next thing is OTT. So Ali, could you tell me what are the logos used over here?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
Amazon Prime, Sony Live, Wood, YouTube, Z5, Netflix,
Okay.
Hotstar.
Now, yeah, Hoichoi, yeah, cool. What is the full form of OTT? OTT is over the top. Okay. अच्छा, OTT से याद है, did you guys watch Squid Game?
Yes, sir.
अभी चालू किया मैंने भाई. It's too good, man. Too good. And problem is what we end up doing binge watching. So there are, I guess, 8 to 9 episodes in Squid Game. I downloaded it 3 days before. On 3 days, I have watched 3 episodes, which is almost okay. But if you trying to watch all the episodes in 1 day or 2 days, it ends up your time. You're basically wasting your time. You are sleep deprived or something like that. You are not able to, invest your time in something else, household chores or something like that. And basically it makes you waste your time. And the next thing is news channel and sports. पूरा दिन मैच देख रहे हो, not football. पूरा दिन क्रिकेट का ODI मैच, टेस्ट मैच देख रहे हो. न्यूज पूरा दिन चल रहा है. That's not a good thing. भाई एक बार सुनो न्यूज खो जाता है लोगों का. What are the news channel over here? It's Times News, DD News, and we have Z News, India TV. 24 घंटा न्यूज चल रहा है घर पे. I guess you have seen, you have a part of this scenario. These are the common scenarios which you are facing almost every day. पापा पूरा जब घर पे बैठे पूरा दिन न्यूज चल रहा है. It's not needed. You basically end up dragging things which are not required. 2-3 घंटा बात करना is not required every day. 2-3 घंटा न्यूज चैनल, 24 घंटा न्यूज, not 2-3 hours. 24 घंटा न्यूज चैनल is not required for you. It's not essential. That's the most important thing. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next topic we are going to study is Matrix. And believe me, Matrix 4 is releasing. There is no link between this Matrix and that Matrix. Are you getting it? What I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
So Matrix is basically the science of managing your time. So you basically divide your timetable into things which are urgent, things which are necessary, things which can be delayed or which can be dealt later on. So how do you prioritize your task? And Matrix will be studying the next day because you are supposed to do some kind of assignment on that. Before we move on to Matrix, I'm going to give you some kind of assignment. We're going to do that. Okay. Yeah, I have stopped sharing the screen because the Matrix is on the next week. That's the topic for the next week. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So Matrix is basically the management of time. So if someone tells you how do you manage your time, that's it. But it should be a scientific approach. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.